Recently, I had to really talk to my son. So always had a doubt about himself. Always his teachers used to say that he can do better, but he had never had that belief in him. So the sessions that I have taught my students, or when we had that conversation with my students, I had a spark. So immediately, the same day I had gone to my son and I told him, it's all right, you don't have to feel low about yourself. Whatever you are able to do, you do it. You will be able to do it. It's all right if you feel you're low or you feel you're not doing your best. It's all right, but always try to improve yourself from what you were the day before. And every day I used to give him a hug when he leaves the home, when I leave the home, because I leave early. So I hug him. And then when he comes back, he'll tell me, yes, Ma, what you told me today really worked. And I really felt that, my day had changed because of that. So from that day on, it has been a practice of giving a hug every day when we leave. So it really changes his, perspective about himself.
We can see the improvement, lot of improvement in children, especially expressing their emotions. They come out with their emotions, and through that we are able to observe the children, how they study and how they bring about everything according, and from their perspective we can understand them by bringing out all the emotions and values. Also they understand better and they want to have a more wow class rather than having the other subjects. They enjoy a lot.
What I have observed with the students, especially 9th standard students, is decision making. I really had a very good fun, and out of that, the most a beautiful thing I observed them when I handled the concept of D bonus thinking hacks. Actually, I gave them a task like to prepare a tour to Simla 3 nights and 2 days. The way they came out with their plans, that was really amazing. Even of that age, when I was in that age, even I could not plan like that. The exposure they got, the ideas they got, it was full of fun.
My actually are UKG kids preschoolers, and there was one activity in WOW that was sharing. For the word as sharing was there, and there was an image of butterfly. So they have to color, half of the butterflies to be colored by them and half of them was colored by their partner. So they were so beautifully engaging with each other. No, don't do this color, do that color. So that was very beautiful to see them interacting each other to make that butterfly look very beautiful actually.
I have seen the children have improved in their reading as well as in their grammar. Both they are good, they are able to frame sentences on their own, especially standard 4 and 5.
We have planned with the exercise to be completed with this within this week, but they will be stressed with their exam. That time I use WOW with their exam pattern, so the stress will be slowly get erased from the thing. Same time they'll be preparing for their exam also, and WOW also happened.
Beautiful, lovely. Yeah, I like to we like to.
Hello, this is Lydia from Natation. Namaste all. Feeling really great to speak about WOW. Wedded to the profession of teaching, WOW is another feather added to my cap. And while I teach WOW, I feel so excited. There is a kind of an internal bonding between the student and the teacher. I experience it every time when I teach WOW. There are some aspects in WOW where children open up and where I'm able to get along with them so nicely, and they are able to open up certain things which they don't share it with their parents. That feels something great about WOW. Thank you so much.
So this game is called Sit Down and Laugh If. Okay. So what I do is I'll say a sentence, and if all of you have done it, you have to sit down and laugh. Whoever has not done it has to remain standing. Okay. So sit down and laugh if you have visited a beach. You'll have to laugh. It has to come. Wonderful. Good. So everyone being in Kerala, stand up, stand up. Okay. Sit down and laugh if you have visited Mumbai city. Anyone? Jijo, you all are planning one trip to our city, huh? With all the teachers. Done? Okay, now let's take this to the next level and make it a little more fun. Sit down and laugh if you have done something very romantic for your husband/wife.
Oh, really? This is the first time in a school all the teachers have said, I know this. Wow, very romantic.
In no other school have we had this response. Okay, stand up, stand up.